How much?
$11,995.
Oh, did you hear that? Store with no customers? We'll give you 8.
Oh, I couldn't possibly do that. I mean, I wish I could.
Then what is your best number?
I guess I could knock it down to 11.5.
Nice meeting you, David. Let's go.
Thanks.
Hang on.
Yes?
How much were you looking to spend?
$8,000 for the ring you are holding.
Give me a minute. I'll have to call the owner.
He's not calling anyone. This is just a part of the game.
This isn't my first rodeo, Tunde.
Then act like it, cowboy. 'Cause you are about to get thrown from the pool.
Okay. I can get you down to 9.5.
Oh, David, I really wanted you to make this sale so you could afford to move from your parents' home.
How did you know that?
Because I have eyes, David. I have eyes. Come on.
Wait.
Yeah.